In today's video, I'm going to explain the Fusion 360 index error, what it actually means, why it happens, and how you can fix it step by step. If you've run into this error and it doesn't make much sense, don't worry. You're not alone, because this is not a common or official Fusion 360 error message. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to deal with it. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and fixes. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what is the Fusion 360 index error? In simple terms, an index error usually means that Fusion 360, or more commonly a script or add-in, tried to access something that doesn't exist. Think of it like trying to grab the third item in a list when there are only 2 items available. Fusion can't find what it's looking for, so it throws this error. Now here's the important part. This error is usually not caused by normal modeling actions. Instead, it tends to appear in more advanced or unusual situations. Let's go through the most common causes. The first cause is broken or outdated add-ins. If you're using plugins or scripts, especially ones that haven't been updated recently, they might try to access data in a way that no longer works with the current version of Fusion 360. The second cause is scripts accessing invalid data. For example, a script might expect a certain object, feature, or component to exist. But if it's been deleted or changed, the script can fail and trigger this error. Another possible cause is a corrupted design file. Sometimes your timeline or features can become unstable, especially after complex edits, and that can lead to unexpected errors like this. And finally, it could just be a rare internal software bug. These don't happen often, but they can occur, especially after updates or when working with complex designs. Now let's go step by step on how to fix the Fusion 360 index error. First, restart Fusion 360. This might sound basic, but it clears temporary glitches and often resolves unexpected issues right away. Next, disable any add-ins or scripts. Go into your add-ins panel, turn everything off, and then try performing the same action again. If the error disappears, you've found the source. After that, reopen your file. Close the current design completely and open it again to reset the session. Then, check your timeline carefully. Look at the most recent features you added. Try editing, rolling back, or even deleting them to see if one of them is causing the issue. If the problem still continues, your next step is to reinstall Fusion 360. This ensures that any corrupted program files are replaced with a clean installation. Now here's an important note you should keep in mind. The Fusion 360 index error is not a reliable or common error to focus on. It's difficult to reproduce, and in most cases, it's tied to scripts or advanced usage rather than normal modeling. So if you're creating content or learning Fusion, this is not something most users will encounter regularly. A quick tip: treat this error as a rare or advanced issue. Focus more on common Fusion workflows and errors, and only troubleshoot this when it actually appears. And that's it. Now you know what the Fusion 360 index error means and how to fix it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.